Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the video is uploaded to Drive and you own or have edit access. This matters for link options. Once uploaded, locate the file in My Drive, right-click it, and choose Share to open permissions. Make sure the video is fully synced. If it shows uploading, wait. You need the Share dialog visible because the next step changes who can view the file, and that directly creates a usable link. Now, change the link setting from restricted to anyone with the link so viewers won't need permission. You choose Viewer for streaming-only access. Pick Commenter or Editor only if you want collaboration. Once you select the right role, click Copy Link. This places the Drive sharing URL on your clipboard. Make sure you didn't leave it on Restricted, because that prevents access, and confirm the role listed next to the link before closing the dialog. Finally, paste the copied Drive link where you need it. Recipients can stream the video directly when set as viewer. If someone reports playback issues, first verify their permission and then confirm the file format is a web-playable codec. If not, convert and re-upload. Also, if folder-level restrictions were later tightened, reopen Share to regenerate the link. One key tip: when things go wrong, recopy the link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.